Jorn Gander. I'm the CTO of BRABUS, and I'm glad to present you here the new BRABUS Rocket 1000. What we have here is based on the GT63S e-performance and is our newest hyper and supercar in the BRABUS model range. It is basically the well-known rocket conversion for the GT four-door. So we have the wider tracks, the wider fenders, front and rear. What you see directly here is something completely new for the Rocket 1000 are the new aero-disc wheels, monoblock P. As you know it in a similar application from the BRABUS Rocket R900. We have some new additional carbon fiber parts. We have a new rear wing, what has a little bit higher position, new side blades, new exhaust end pipes, what are a little bit bigger as the previous Rocket 900 versions, but in the end, well-known product. And the important one is this number, 1000 horsepower total output, a maximum complete torque with the e-drive unit on the rear axle from more than 1800 Newton meters. So a car that has really incredible high performance figures, a lot of torque, a lot of power, and also, as you can see, as a standard e-performance, it is a plug-in hybrid, so you can have also a quite serious electric driven range. As usual, with a BRABUS hypercar or supercar, we have also a BRABUS masterpiece interior. In this case, with a gray car, we have also a black car, what is super black in total, so everything black. In this case, we have a gray car with black leather and red accents. As you know, all these details anodized in red with all these small details, a lot of carbon fiber, for sure, as usual, the complete floor mats in leather, and also the roof with the sun protection here, everything covered in leather in a typical way, as usual with the BRABUS masterpiece. As I explained before, the performance figures are really outstanding. It is 1000 horsepower system performance, a maximum torque from 1820 Newton meter combined combustion engine with the electric drivetrain. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 2.6 seconds. 0 to 200, 9.7, and 0 to 300, and that is for the boys, yeah, under 24 seconds.